Viewers, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to this tutorial. If you are new, welcome. If you are a returning viewers, welcome as well. If you are new and you have not subscribed to my channel, please do. And do not forget to give it a thumbnail. Today I will show us a full tutorials on how to use Binance. Okay, a lot of us have Binance. A lot of us are still new. In Binance is a platform whereby you can trade both sports and also feature trading. Okay, you can trade both sports trading and also feature trading. And Binance is also a platform also whereby you can get a USD, whereby you can buy US dollars. Okay, by simply using the P2P. Okay, so today we are going to look at this Binance info. So you can see here what you are seeing in this whole places is what we call coin. There's BNB, there's BTC, there's ETH, which is the Ethereum, there's HIFI, there's TRB, there's XRB. Okay, so assuming you want to buy this on it, it will load. So you can see how it's going up. If you are on this, you'll be in profit. You'll be seriously in profit. Okay, because this is plus 47 from 0.7 to 1.1. Look at the 24 hours high, look at the 24 hours low. Okay, so if you want to buy, this is in this place is where we run spot trading. Okay, in this place is where we run spot trading. On this my very tutorial, I'm going to give brief. Then later I'll drop the video part by part so that you can quickly understand it. Okay, so this place is where you can do spot trading. While if you look at down here, this is what we call home. We're already in the home. This is what we call markets. This is what we call trades. This is what we call feature, and this is what we call wallets. These markets, okay, is where you see the coins moving on and moving down. Okay, they are highly fluctuated. This trade is where you see your trade. Okay, any trade that you are in, this is where you see it quickly. This is where you trade feature trading. Okay, and this wallet is where you find your volume, which is your balance. Okay, this is where you find your volume or your what, or your balance, right? So what we're going to do now is that we'll go to trade, how to stake. Okay, this is BNB. Let's look at BNB. BNB is about going up. Yeah, as you can see, BNB is about what? It's about going up. Okay, it's seriously working hard to go up now. Okay, so the next thing that you just need to do is, if you click on buy, okay, so you click on buy. In this place, your volume of USDT will appear here. Okay, currently there's no USDT here, so your volume of USDT will appear here. Okay, the volume of USDT will appear here, and then you insert the volume of the USDT that you have available here. Maybe if it is 100, I'll write 100 here. You see, I'll write 100 here, and check this here so that it will appear here. Then you can just click on back. Okay, so why it's showing me this is because I don't have fund inside. It's asking me to increase my balance, so I can just go to P2P and buy it. Okay, so you see the charges here. They have charged 2 cents. Let's say they just charged 2 cents. from this. Okay, you just charge 2 cents, which is okay. Then you click on buy. If you click on buy, it will now be available. You have now bought some BNB. Okay, so in this place, in this spot grid, this is where you will check what you have bought. Where is it going to? Are you losing or profiting? Okay, okay, sorry. In this order, in this open order, you see how many trade you have opened. Maybe you have opened one, and you have opened another, you have opened another, you have opened another. You understand? In this open orders, this is where you find it. This is where you find the number of trade. And under this open order, this is where you see either you are gaining, is it plusing or minusing. Okay, if your money is minusing, you will see it here. If your money is plusing, it will be in green. If it's minusing, it will be on red. Okay, very interesting. I do trade most of the time, sharp, but trading is very tough, so you must use your head. Don't just jump into the market and lost your fund. You must study those candles very, very well. Okay, this will be a lecture for another day though. So for spot trading, if there's anything you don't get here, or you wish more explanation about it, you can just drop your comment at the comment sections, and I will go through it and I will get to you as soon as possible. Okay, so this is it for the spot trading. If you click on this candlestick here, as I just showed you, this is where you monitor your trade, if it's going up or coming down. Okay, this is where you really monitor your trade, if it's either going up or coming down. Okay, are we good? So that is it. Now you know how to open trade on a spot trading, right? Now you know what, how to open trade on a spot trading. Okay, are we good about that? Okay, so the next thing now I would like to show it to you here is the what is it called? Is the feature trading. The advantage of this feature trading is that if you have 50 USD in your balance and you want to trade with 300 USD, you can do it. It's very simple, but you must be ready for liquidations. In this place there's what we call a leverage. Maybe you have 5 USD, you can leverage 20 USD. If you take, this is where you see your leverage. You see this place isolated, you see this place leverage, this is your leverage where you see this 5%. You can take your leverage to 20% if you want. Okay, you can take your leverage to 20% if you want. Yes, Ashok. What gift do you plan to give me? Okay. Ashok. It's a surprise. But in this place, the leverage you can get here, the leverage here is 8. Okay. So the leverage, as I showed to you in spot trading, is there's no much difference between spot trading and feature trading. Okay. So if you want to monitor how the trade is moving, is it going up or is coming down, you go to this place. Okay, so for now it's coming down. I think if you're on this trade, if you're staking this coin, I think you should be you are losing a little. If you just take from here, you're losing, but if you take from this place, you're gaining, you're still gaining. Okay, but it might not be much again. Okay, so this is how it works. If you want to stake trade on this feature trading, is still the same as the way you did the other time. Okay, what you just need to do is just check here, your USD balance will be here, and you stake it here. Okay, you stake your trade here, then whatever you have bought will be here at your open orders. If it's going up, you see it there. If it's coming down as well, you still see it there. So I think I will stop here, but in my next class I'm going to drop the difference between the spot trading. I'll just pick that out, the difference between the spot trading and also the feature trading. Okay, I'll also talk much about the leverage I also talk much about the leverage, and also the isolation and the cross sections. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me. If you find value with this video, please do not hesitate to like, and also share my videos, so that when, and also if you have not subscribed, please do, so that whenever I drop any video, it will get to you immediately. Thank you so much for being with me. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.